I designed my first 3D printed part and made it, and it actually works. So I have this Voyager keyboard, ZSA Voyager, and I often like to stick it on my laptop and use it here. The only problem is that I have to disable the keyboard here to prevent this from accidentally pushing the keys. Also, even though it's a little bit magnetized on this case, it kind of moves around in a way I don't like. So I designed this little mount that clips onto the side, and then this has a magnet built into it, and then this mounts on top of that, and you can move it around, and this holds it well enough with the neodymium magnet to prevent it from touching the keyboard. So there's no way to actually press these keys with this piece here because it doesn't indent the keys enough. Now, I did make this little edge a little too short, so I'm increasing that edge and it'll clip on there a little bit better, and I'm making a second one for this side. But I'm pretty proud of what I've been able to do here. So the way this worked is I used this program called Plasticity, and I basically measured my parts, and then I found an STL file for the backplate of the Voyager, which is open source. So they provide the STL files, and then I use that as a template to basically overlay these two designs, or one of these designs. And then I meticulously by hand crafted this this piece here, cut a little cutout using like my measuring of these little neodymium magnets, and then basically put together the print. This was my first time printing something I designed, and it actually works, and it really holds it well. It's actually pretty strong. So I'm using the Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon. I'm now doing a new print with both sides, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Now, I'm not sure it's actually going to clip onto the laptop as firmly as I want, and I have some other ideas for how to do that, maybe even like a secondary magnet down here that holds it to the laptop. But I think it's a really great start. Like this magnet press fitting really fits in here perfect. Like I just measured that with my caliper, and it actually worked out perfectly. The Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon is a really great printer. I mean, look at the quality of this piece. It's almost perfect. I even have filleted edges on here, and super happy with the outcome. Okay, adios.